Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the phosphorus cycle. This topic comes under the subject Environmental Technology of third year diploma in chemical engineering. This diagram shows the phosphorus cycle. In this diagram, I am going to show you how the phosphorus is transferring from the surface to the atmosphere and from atmosphere to the ocean. Rock contains phosphorus in the form of phosphate, and during the geological uplift, new rocks get uplifted or pushes at the surface. When wind flows from this rock surface, erosion of the soil takes place, and during this erosion process, some of the phosphate get removed from that rock surface and then get mixed into that wind. And in this way, with the help of this erosion process, phosphate is flowing from the rock surface towards the atmosphere. And when the raining occurs, and this raindrop, when collected at the Earth's surface, some of the phosphate get mixed into that raining water, and during this weathering process or during this runoff of water from the earth's surface, the phosphorus flows from this earth's surface through this runoff towards the river. Means here transfer of phosphate takes place from the earth's surface to the river with the help of running water. And after the river, when river goes to the ocean, in this way from the river, phosphorus is transferred from river to the ocean. When we used fertilizer, that fertilizer also consists of phosphorus, and through this fertilizer, this phosphorus get mixed into the soil surface, and the plants when take that fertilizer, and when plants take that phosphorus to that fertilizer, that plant absorb the phosphorus, and these plants, we know that the plants are eaten by the smaller animals and smaller animals are eaten by the bigger animals. So here we can see the phosphorus is transferring from the plant to the smaller to the bigger animals. After the death of these plants and the animals, decomposition of that dead bodies of these plants and animals takes place, and during this decomposition process, inorganic phosphate is formed and that get mixed into the soil. Also, in fossil fuels also consist of the phosphorus, and that we used for the burning processes. So, in this way, on the Earth's surface, the phosphorus is transferring from the soil to the animal, and from after the decomposition, again it goes to the soil. In the ocean or in the aquatic life, what happens? The plants which are present in the ocean takes the phosphorus from the bottom of the ocean, or it also takes the phosphorus from the um, ocean water which is present in the dissolved form. And again in the ocean there is a food chain takes place, means from the aquatic plants it transferred to the smaller animals, and from the smaller animals it transferred to the bigger animals. Means in the food chain of aquatic life, the phosphorus is also transferring, and after the death of these plants and aquatic animals, again decomposition process takes place, and during this decomposition process phosphorus is formed, and that phosphorus gets settled at the bottom of the ocean in the sediment form. Also, the leaching process of water which forms into the soil, the phosphorus is washed out from the soil towards the ocean because of this leaching process. So in this way, the phosphorus is transferred from the earth surface to the atmosphere and from atmosphere to the ocean. Remember that source of phosphorus is only rock and the fertilizer which we are using for the agricultural fields. Okay, means from the soil we take the phosphorus, or we get the phosphorus from the soil that get washed out with the help of wind or the raining water, and after washing it goes to the river, from river it goes to the ocean, and also after the degradation of the animals and the plant dead bodies, phosphorus is formed in the form of inorganic phosphate, and that get absorbed into the soil, and after the leaching process, it get washed out to the ocean. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will meet soon with my new video. Thank you everyone.